Every light source, including standard household lights, street lights, and sunlight, produce different colored light. Our eyes are good at correcting for these color changes, but cameras are not. Unless you are comfortable setting color balance in camera, it's recommended to set your camera to its auto white balance setting, AWB. It automatically adjusts or neutralizes the color temperature of your images based on the ambient light. In the basic panel in Lightroom, you'll find a drop-down menu of white balance corrections, which are designed to counteract color casts. As shot is the default and represents the white balance setting from your camera and before any white balance adjustments are applied. Auto will adjust the white balance to a more neutral color temperature. The other options will neutralize the effect of the conditions mentioned. If you shot in the shade, which tends to create a bluer color cast than in bright sunlight, selecting the shade correction will make your image warmer and more yellow. These corrections can be quite crude and care should be taken as further adjustment may be required. If you shot under a fluorescent light, selecting fluorescent will counteract the effect, turning your image colder and more blue. Selecting custom from the list has no effect, but if you use the temp, tint or white balance selector tool, the white balance option will change to custom to reflect you making your own custom adjustments. Note, the full menu of corrections is available for RAW files, which contain all the data from the photo. JPEGs do not capture as much data, and therefore do not offer as many correction options in Lightroom. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.